Well, it's a blessing. This morning we are give thanks to be alive. Corona there, but we don't catch it yet, so we give thanks to it. Well, YouTube, bless up all my friends and family, my viewers, and all of you. I love all of you just like how you love me. Because you keep watching the program and go and bless it up and keep it up. So I say bless up. I said out the go them on some feed out idea. Why yesterday I have everybody separated, but today I can't separate them, you know. Because I now get the chance to go and come with everybody, so I can't separate everybody. Make them go feed out. Yeah. Them I have to sell them and get tin down because I can't get to go with everybody. Yeah, look at what's here. Man, mommy on the other side. I see my tree jumper come out here now. I know him up to, but I know say she heavy. Not she, not him. Yes, she. Yeah, man, my tree jumper small as she is. Yeah, man, see one of her tree job kid there. And this one of her, no, and a fair kid. They go out the line as a kid. Alright, so everybody, you see it, I give them water now, and I want drink water, and everybody come out now and drink water drink. You see how your life funny? Give them water and then I want it. So I make sure water stay on the outside and then we drink it. So Westside, I say one love and thank you for keeping it safe and keep yourself safe. Because if you never safe, you wouldn't there watch it, you know, don't you? So I say keep it safe, said way. And no make no cup that broken on coffee that show, just keep it thing from jugsy. Because we don't want the jugsy and everybody get stir up and place get mashed up. Keep safe from corona. Yeah, wash your hand. Keep it level. Westside upon it again. One more day in a struggle. But we better we struggle more corona because corona them say I mash up loans and everything. So better we in a struggle, not you? Yeah man. So well I say family. Boy, a long time I set up my video, I just flag that one fast. Now flag it now here that I put up a flag. When you shot it and sell it up fast. You know? Make it get in our system. Yes, the 2020 there, big boy, and brother. Come on. I take out the sheep out of the sun and now stop sending my bush with the goat car. He have kid and I don't want the kid grow like how sheep grow. So. Tree Jippy, where you going? Jippy! As you say, she always go for her own way, you know. She always manager to everybody. Goat for have her own way, ask like goat there. Yeah, man. Anybody has their own way, man. Ask the egg goat there, yeah. So, we're there. On the west side, guys, I take time to drop and thing. Set out, we have 4 young newborn. We have 3 Raminite and 1 yo. 3 goat have them, 1 have 2 for the first time she have kid. And 1 have 1 and 1 have 1. So one have 1 last time, she's upon her 3rd time, you know. 3 years straight she a drop. So I tell her that she a go on good. Yo, so at least get around me what we have on yo dropper, I have to call her me yo dropper. At least 3 in a row. 3 times single, but you know see me. So I saw a system set up, brother and sister. Thank God we are here because it could be worse. We have lived and see worse days. Yes, see what we are trying to survive over there, so you know, man feels him head big and give you like something in feast and worth it. But what you do today, remember said I come back to you. And when you hope people and give them something good. Don't give them what you don't want. Because your conscience will ride you every day, you know. You want your conscience to ride you every day. And when we realize the conscience of this man ride him every time. He tell me say he want to come buy him some Brahma from me, but yet he don't come on now. I'm sure saying conscience I ride him and go promise me. So yeah. This black and white I'm calling black top. See blackhead now. Blackhead, yeah, blackhead. You see me make sure me tag him from early. He's one of my blackhead ram, black and white ram I have, my head black. And when him first kid this a born pan, no, not him second kid this a born pan the farm, but the kid here for 2 months, 25 pounds. I know say I go on good. You understand? So I want to keep him like thing, keep him like flock. You see me? So I have him, I have 2020, and I have MP. Everybody know MP already. Yeah man, I have MP, I have him there. MP gone over so. No, see MP there. So we have MP 2020 there in there so, and we have Blackhead. You understand? So them three I want to stay upon the farm to multiply the herd where I come up. I heard I come up now once me have life and carry on take me and my family. We are there. You know, I want to give thanks again a million times and 1,000 watt of thanks to our God Almighty who keep us safe. Even blow the cool breeze and make me feel cool, although the sun hot. Yeah man. So Westside I say one love to you, my family and friend. Where you're there, anywhere you're there in the earth, just give thanks and just keep safe. Because yo, the only thing can save us is us. No different from God Almighty. Only we can save ourselves. Because them diseases are built to kill out who they want. But I'm glad it come like that. You know, death not have no partiality for no one, whether you're high or you're low. You know, the only thing about this disease, you know. So it's like living in this time but living sure of death more even yesterday. Because yesterday we just say why tomorrow we're gonna do this, but right now we don't know what tomorrow will bring. Because tomorrow corona around there so. Next minute of corona you don't know. So friend, just keep yourself. You don't know who have it, just distant. So like how me up on the media, I say media worship to everyone and media friend to everyone and media to everyone that keep it media. Yeah man, keep it digital. Yeah, we don't want hug for no one now, no close hug, cause we don't know who have it. The place everywhere. You can't trust me, neither me can't trust you. So we have to just keep ourselves safe. Yeah, it's a way of keeping us a distant apart, but you can love me through the media. Love me now? Alright. One love. And T&B say peace to you, my friend, and everyone out there. And I say keep it level. I say don't make the cup shake up too much because I don't want coffee. I don't want the coffee dash way. I don't want the jugsy. See, so keep it second. One love. I love you every time. Alright.